Hello, so this patient came all the way from New Zealand. We will do open rhinoplasty for her. She doesn't want too high of a bridge. Ang gusto lang niya is natural looking, but she wants a projected tip kasi yung tip niya is a little rounded. Then for the alar, we will do alar trim and alar lift dahil medyo wide yung ala. And then for the bridge, maglalagay din tayo ng implant. So let's do this. Okay, so this is it. This is the Elise Barbie nose. Naglagay tayo ng implant for the bridge and then we projected the tip from rounded, it's now pointy, and then the alar is now narrowed. We also did osteotomy dahil medyo wide yung bone niya to make it look slimmer and more defined. Okay?